Right, I've got the Scout X for a very interesting purpose here today. Large frame, nice wide gap, and I've got an extremely long set of bands here. For me, these are 23 centimeters. My normal band set is 18 centimeters in length, active length. So, and this is a fairly large taper, heavy bands with a huge pouch. I'm going to try something different today, just for fun. Shooting marbles, and I'm going to grip the marble from the side like this, and I'm going to teach myself how to do a longer draw past my head and to shoot and to get onto target that way. This might be something that some of you also want to do in order to develop a bit of a longer draw. You may not use it when you go for those absolutely accurate shots, but to get a flatter trajectory and to play around with larger ammo and gain a bit more momentum and speed, this might be something that interests you. Okay, so I'm still going to look over my bands and I'm still going to use the sight on the target, okay? But I'm just going to effect a longer draw in order to gain enough energy to reach that distance with the marble. Right, here I go. Gunk. On the side, but it's a hit nonetheless. So we did manage to get it. The height is okay. The line was sort of okay. Not center can, but it's a small can. It's a 300ml Coke can. Right, here we go again. Boom. Okay, demolished the can. So, there you have it. Grip it from the side, draw it basically to where you would normally anchor, and then just continue past it until you feel the tension build up, and you'll quickly develop the muscle memory in order to make those longer shots with bigger ammo in a different way, and you'll enjoy playing.